Hi and welcome to Pernillaskreativa. In this video I'm going to show you how to make your own tassel. To make these tassels you will need yarn and a cardboard piece that is about 12 by 8 centimeters or 4 by 3 inches, and you will need a scissor. So we're going to start with cutting a piece of yarn that's going to be the loop on the tassel so we can hang it up. And this piece of yarn we're gonna put on the top of the cardboard, and then we're gonna start wrap the yarn around the cardboard. So I will start with making sure I have the end of the yarn on the downside of the cardboard, and then I'm gonna start wrap it around. And I'm gonna wrap it around for about 50 times, and when we are done with that, I'm gonna show you the next step. So now I'm gonna just cut off the yarn, and before I cut open the bottom of the tassel, I'm gonna make a loose knot on the top. And this is just to make sure all the pieces don't just spread all over the place when I start cutting the edge. So yeah, I'm gonna just cut open the edge or the bottom here of the tassel. And then I'm gonna remove it slowly from the cardboard. So as I said before, all these pieces won't start flying around all over the place. Then I'm gonna make a reef knot to hold the tassel together. And then I'm gonna make another reef knot to make the loop so we can hang up our tassel. And I'm gonna make sure it's tight and good. So, and then I'm gonna cut away the edges. And now we're gonna make the part where we wrap our yarn around the tassel. And to make this without having to make any knots, we take the yarn and put the end upward like this, and then we make a loop. So you have a loop downward and the edge upward, and then you can start wrapping the yarn around the tassel. And you're gonna keep this edge up and the loop down, and then just wrap around. And I'm gonna wrap it quite hard. Now I'm gonna cut off the yarn, and then I take my loop and pull the yarn through the loop, and I'm gonna hold it like this, and then I'm just taking the edge that we have upward and start pulling at it, and I make sure this edge is through the loop, and I'm gonna keep pulling. And as you see, the loop is start to vanish, and now it's gonna go in under the wrapping. So, and now I just can cut away this part. And if I think this end is too short, I can cut it away as well, but I think this will do. It can hang there. And yeah, this is how you do your own tassel.